My name is Daniel Boutay. I'm Vice President of Global Inventory Management, I guess. That means I'm accountable for the inventory in the three regions, North America, Europe, and Asia. I manage a team of planners and allocators. Guess is an iconic fashion brand founded by the Marciano brothers in Los Angeles, California in 1981. They became famous for the jeans, the denim pants with zippers at the ankle, stonewashed, and for the memorable black and white advertising campaigns, including top models like Claudia Schiffer or Adriana Lima, Gigi Hadid, just to name a few. Today, it's a public company that offers a full lifestyle with more than 25 different categories, including, of course, apparel for men, women, kids, but also accessories, watches, eyewear, shoes, fragrance, jewelry, and we have presence in all the world and employing more than 12,500 employees with a turnover of 2.7 billion. I was surprised to see, people working on spreadsheets for this complexity and volumes that we manage here. I was looking for a solution to help the team working more effectively and again, bringing more value to the job. Then I discovered we had another solution that was really not performing very well. It was taking a lot of time every time you key a number, to recalculate, and it was making it not easy to work with. And then we found the Centric Planning team. We were really impressed by the performance and the speed of the tool. Immediately when you enter a number, you see how things impact the rest of the KPIs and the metrics. The visuals are very clear and very easy to understand for everybody, so very intuitive tool. And then of course, to me the most important part, or one of the most important part, was also the team, the quality of the team from Centric. So it's not talking to a vendor or commercial people trying to sell you a solution, but really talking planners to planners. After working with Centric, our results improved a lot. I must say the operating profit went from 5.6% to more than 12% immediately after the pandemic, and now we are still in double-digit operating profit, so big improvement here. When I joined Gas, we had this excess inventory that now we've been able to reduce by 60%. It's not only having a good inventory position, but also the quality of our inventories are much better. The planners are working on their category, and then we see everything consolidated whenever we want. Our lead times before were very long because, first of all, it took a lot of time for us to really understand the situation, to understand what the customer wants, when they want it, where they want it, and then also to place the purchase orders to our vendors was taking a lot of time. So this increases the lead times from when you want the product to be in the market and when you finally receive it. So with Centric, we've been able to for sure reduce these lead times, not so much in the production, but especially in the pre-production, where we take the decisions on the quantities, on the styles, and when do we need this product to arrive to our warehouse. So we shortened by maybe 1 month thanks to Centric Planning. There is a more integrated process between the planners and the buyers. So it reduces also our time, because our plans now are executed the same way by the buying team, because they see the same reality thanks to Centric. Now with Centric we have a common view, so everybody sees the same reality in the same way, so makes all the process much faster and much more efficient. Centric Planning is connected to our ERP, so everything is connected, so we have a flawless process from our plans onto the execution of our plans by sending the purchase orders to our customers. I worked for more than 25 years in the fashion retail industry for biggest retail fashion company of the world, and I could see how important technology is more and more for this industry. It's more about data and understanding the customer. I think there is no more one solution works for everything, because the customers know a lot about the competition and what they want and different products that they would like to have, and the companies, they need to adapt new technologies to be able to understand this new customer that is more digital, and they understand much better what they want. So it's exciting, the future, as how I see it. Of course, will require the company to adapt to the new times, My advice to anybody who wants to go through this digital transformation is try not to customize too much the solution. Keep the solution as much as standard as it is. In any project like this, there is a change management that you need to go through. The quicker you can go to implement the first module fast and have the team working on that will help you have everybody engaged and try to develop new things with the new solution.